Hey, what's going on everybody? Thanks for joining the channel again. So today we want to show you how to build a custom olive wood charcuterie board. So we start by cutting all of our pieces, sketching everything out, run it through the bandsaw, as you can see right here. And here we are, we're cleaning the form up, leveling everything off. And then we start kind of putting the pieces together to create something custom, something unique. And here's Sean selecting the colors, and we wanted to go with 3 different colors. We went with chartreuse, samurai black, mainspring silver. Here we are mixing the epoxy. It's a 2-to-1 ratio, separating the 3 colors we were going to use, and we start the mixing process. During our mixing process, we actually go in reverse and we go slow so we can keep the bubbles down and look at that river kind of flowing between all that nice olive wood. And at the end, we add the silver. Stay tuned for part 2 and please like and subscribe.